We're in search of the abominable snow dog. Oh, she's shaking off. Hey, I'm in my slippers. Ain't gonna work. Are you coming in, you? Come in here now before you turn into an abominable snowman. I'm a snow dog, yes. Come on, you can walk. Let's get here. I'll unhook you. Oh, my goodness. I've got my sandals on. Come on. It's too snowy out for a snow dog. Come on, up, up, up. You're caked in snow. Caked, I said. Absolutely caked in snow. Get in the house. Get in the house. Go on. No, you're coming. No, we're not going for a walk. We're going in the house. I'm not going out in this. Give me a break. Get your turtle back, snow back in there. Gosh. It's not my idea of you staying outdoors, is it?